Welcome to our Ice Maker Showdown. Today, we're diving into a comparison of two popular countertop ice makers from Sweetcrispy. We'll explore their features, specifications, and help you decide which one is the best fit for your home or party needs. Let's get started. Let's start with the price comparison. The Sweetcrispy B0CV VWR4M1 is priced at $59.99, making it a more budget-friendly option compared to the B0DZX4M8GM, which is priced at $69.99. If you're looking for a cost-effective solution for your ice-making needs, the first model may be the way to go. Next, let's look at ice production capacity. The B0CVVWR4M1 can produce up to 26.5 pounds of ice in 24 hours, slightly edging out the B0DZX4M8GM, which produces 26 pounds. This means that if you need a bit more ice for your gatherings, the first model might be the better choice. Finally, we compare the water tank capacities. The B0CVVWR4M1 features a larger water tank at 1.5 liters, compared to the B0DZX4M8GM's 1.2 liters. This means less frequent refills for the first model, making it more convenient for larger gatherings. In conclusion, both Sweetcrispy countertop ice makers offer excellent features for home use. The choice between them ultimately comes down to your preferences for price, ice production capacity, and water tank size. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.